What else, guys? No questions so far? Has anybody ever watched Chopped? You guys watch that show? I appreciate that. We have a lot of fun. Believe it or not, we've been shooting that show now for it's our 11th year. We're going into our 12th year very soon. I know. Tell me about it. I was young when I started that thing. I didn't need glasses at the time. That's how long ago it was. So if you notice, one of the things us chefs do when we cook meat is we saute it like this and then baste it nicely. Right? See how I'm doing that? You guys see that? So we baste it like that, number one, because fat is flavor, clearly. But also, more importantly, we want to make sure that this flavor transfer is there. So the bubbling of the butter, the beautiful thyme that we have on top of there, we're just going to cook that up nicely. It's a beautiful thing. Good. I have this oxtail that I braised for hours and hours and hours. I don't know what you guys were doing at 4 a.m., but I was in the kitchen braising oxtail. Oxtail, yeah. It's not true at all. How is it so far, folks? You good? Everything all right? Did you have a question, young lady? No? No questions? Yes. I got to hear the question. Hold on. Keep an eye on this, chef. Turn the flames down. I can't hear. So yes, I char the onions until they're black and really low oven temperature until they're black, and then we grind them, mix them with the spice mixture, and then sear the beef off with that. So you see, so they are in the oven. Yes, that's right. You don't like that idea? It's okay. Thank you, chef. I appreciate that. Thank you. Yes. She is asking me if I'm really that mean a judge. I am, I'm only mean, let's put it this way. I'm really nice. Really nice. Just ask me, I'll tell you. Until I'm not. Does that make sense? When people sass me, I'm very quick to meet them at their sass point. Does that make sense? It doesn't. Well, you know, my mother called me one day. Thank you, chef. Thanks. Fabio, finish that up for me. We're talking over here. Thanks. Take it off the fire, chef. The recipe is under the table if you want to check it out. Yes. So after me, who's the best judge on Chopped? Yeah. Yeah, I will tell you, people seem to like Martha on the show. That's good. I will tell you, I love Alex Guarnaschelli. Not only is Alex one of my closest friends, but she's just a power woman. I find people like Alex, first of all, she's one of the smartest people I've ever met in my life. She is incredibly intelligent, and she likes to bully us with her intelligence. She does it all the time. And I say to Ted Allen, like, do not fall for her bullying. She is mentally bullying us right now. Don't fall for it. Falls for it every time. It's amazing. But she's awesome. I love her. Jeffrey is also one of my closest friends. You know, we're all close. We're all really close. It's crazy how that show, 11 years of working together, we are really, literally like a family. We fight. We argue. One time I threatened to break Jeffrey's nose on set one day. I was really ready to do it, too. I was ready for it. Yeah, we have a good time. Probably a little too much fun. Ted Allen is probably, I think, an iconic host. First of all, I can listen to him talk all the time. I just love the way he speaks. He's such a gentleman. He's so curious. He keeps that show, keeps us all in focus. It's a lot of fun. We're lucky. We're lucky to do what we do. I know there were some other questions. Let me just plate this thing up and make believe that I know what I'm doing over here. All right, please? So one of the things I like is balances of flavors. I really like the yin and yang of certain dishes, like the deep, fatty richness of beef, and then I braise it with a little bit of acidity, believe it or not, red wine and red wine vinegar inside this oxtail. So that acidity cuts the fat of the oxtail and really creates a different layer of flavor. So we'll add a little bit of that on the plate as well. Good stuff. So I want to walk around and answer more of these questions. So I'm going to get rid of this dish really quick. How about that? When we slice this beef, again, that beautiful fat content that we've roasted it in. Look at how nicely I cooked that. Oh my God. Oh my God. I got lucky on that one. Did Fabio bring out his pepper mill that he had? That was the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my career. Clever, that guy.